Pregnancy week by week. Pregnancy symptoms week 3. 1. Implantation bleeding. If your little soon-to-be embryo has already made it to his or her new home, you may see a bit of spotting as the fertilized egg burrows into the wall of your uterus. 2. Breast changes. Your boobs can start to get sore and your nipples may darken as your body starts prepping to make milk. 3. Nausea. As the pregnancy hormone HCG begins to make its way through your newly pregnant body, you may notice some feelings of queasiness or nausea so bad it makes you puke. Morning sickness should really be called all-day sickness since it really doesn't discriminate by time of day. If you're feeling this symptom of pregnancy at 3 weeks, you may be further along than you thought, or, not to freak you out or anything, but you may even be 3 weeks pregnant with twins. That's because twin moms-to-be often have higher levels of pregnancy hormones, and therefore worse nausea. 4. Missed period. If your cycle is typically shorter than 28 days, you may realize toward the end of this week that you could be pregnant. The only way to know for sure is to take a pregnancy test. 5. Positive blood pregnancy test. In some cases, like if you're at risk for miscarriage or ectopic pregnancy, your doctor may ask you to come into the office for a blood draw. Blood tests can detect smaller amounts of HCG than urine tests can, so you may find out that you're pregnant sooner with a blood test than you would with an at-home test. 6. Positive home pregnancy test. Check the box of your home pregnancy test to see how accurate its results are before your missed period. Most are over 99% accurate once you've missed it. And some brands promise to detect pregnancy hormones in your urine sooner than that, for example, when you're 3 weeks 5 days pregnant or even 3 weeks 4 days pregnant. Here's the thing. The amount of pregnancy hormone HCG in your body might not be enough for the test to detect right away, but it doubles every 48 hours. If you get a negative result, follow up a few days and then a week later with another pregnancy test and then another, to be sure it wasn't just too early to tell.